Hello, welcome back. This is episode 15, a continuation from the episode 14, where we discuss motion and gravity. We are picking questions to text the episode 14, the formulas we derived. So a stone is dropped down a well. If it takes 5 seconds to reach the surface of water or of the water, we have to find how deep is the well and what is the velocity when it hits the surface of the water. So for the first one, we need to bring out the information that are there. So if I am looking for the first, a stone is dropped. So the point at which the stone is dropped is going to move vertically downward, moving in line with the force of gravity, so positive. But at the point where it is being moved, the initial velocity becomes 0 meter per seconds. What again do we have? It takes 5 seconds, so time is what? 5 seconds to reach the surface of the water. We're looking for how deep, which is what? The height. So if I'm looking for height, remember we talk about the two equations that we need. The equation that talk about time, we have to use second equation. The one that does not give you time, then we use what? The third equation. So from here, we only say, okay, let's say from the second equation, h equals to ut plus half of gt squared. Positive because the body is moving downward. So by substitution, can I substitute here? I can have my h still remain initial velocity O, the time of 5 plus 0.5 is the half, multiplying the gravity, which is what? 10, multiplying what? The time, which is going to be 5 squared. So here is going to be 0. So your height will be 0 for the first instance. Then this is 25. 25 times 10, 250. 250 times what? Half. Okay, let me just write it. 0 plus 125. So I have 125. So the height become 125 in what? Meters. The height, okay, we can see that how deep is the well. So the well is what? 125 what? Deep. So therefore, the well is 125 meters what? Deep for the first part. Then for the second part, still we are going to look at what is the velocity when it hits the water surface. The velocity where it was released is 0. When it hits, it becomes final velocity. So we know initial. We also are looking for final. The time taken is being given to us, so we can easily move to V equals to U plus what? GT. Where this is what we are looking for. This is known, the time is known. So by substitution, I only have 0 plus 10 times what? 5. 0 plus 50, and that gives us what? 50 meters. We are looking for meters per second. So here, therefore, so the velocity when the stone will hit the water surface is going to be 50 meter per seconds. So this is to text what we did in episode 14. More questions will be given out in series of episodes to text the episode we did on 14. Don't forget to come back, subscribe, like, comment, and bye-bye.